So this is how you can enjoy things that you like without feeling guilty.
The biggest thing that I have learned about nutrition is that rather than thinking
About what you can subtract, you should think about what you can add to your meals in order to eat what you want guilt free. For example, if you are a big fan of sugar, go ahead and have your desserts, but think about adding in some steps, adding in some water, adding some protein in, and that way you can keep things balanced whenever you have something that you feel like you should not have had or something which is bad for you. Also, try not to label food as good or bad because obviously that affects you and adds stress. And it is hard to not label things, but stress is actually worse for you than sugar. Stress of any kind, be it, around food noise, be it around anything else that is happening in your life. Chronic stress is worse for you, for your body, than sugar. So try wherever you can to keep things a bit balanced by adding something rather than subtracting. Similarly, if you want to have a pizza, go ahead and have your pizza. Don't think about the calories, don't think about how it's going to affect your body. Just go ahead and have it. Just try to balance it out with some protein, some vegetables, some water, some steps. Just do that, and you will feel good about yourself. And honestly, don't always think about, balancing things. You can have days where you have whatever you want without thinking about how to make it perfect or how to make it balanced. So your happiness matters, your mental peace matters, doing something that is sustainable matters. Do not even think about cutting things out. That is not sustainable. You won't be happy, and we don't want that. So go ahead and try this.